The VW Jetta's infotainment system, known as MIB or Modular Infotainment Matrix, can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. Let's understand the types of resets available to fix these issues. The MIB system controls audio, navigation, and connectivity in your Jetta. Here's what the infotainment dashboard looks like. First, a soft reboot involves holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary glitches while preserving your data. Second, a factory reset restores the system to default settings, erasing personal data. Access it through Settings, System, Factory Reset, or use OBD2 tools. Use this as a last resort. Lastly, frozen screens can be fixed by combining button presses like volume and power while cycling the ignition, or disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes to force a full power drain. Understand that post-2020 models with MIB3 often receive over-the-air updates, reducing the need for manual resets. Before performing any reset, understand the causes of infotainment issues, such as outdated software, overheating, or electrical faults. Always start with a soft reboot to avoid data loss. For non-OTA models, update regularly via USB. When performing a factory reset, note that it may require repairing devices and re-entering codes. For older MIB2 systems, tools like VCDS might be necessary for complete compatibility. Disconnect the battery safely to prevent electrical shocks. If resets fail, the MEB unit itself might be faulty and require professional replacement, costing $500 to $1,500. Remember, persistent issues after multiple resets often indicate a hard problem requiring a technician's attention. Note that, according to a 2025 NHTSA report, 22% of VW infotainment complaints involve frozen screens, with resets solving 75% without further intervention.